Mad Adam, Mad Money.
Welcome back, folks. On this episode, we're going to be talking about UTXO. This is a way to split up your transactions such that when you're sending, it will send in multiple chunks. I use UTXO to organize my inputs for staking. What this does is it allows me to take my entire collection of coins and send them in one transaction and have them split up into equal stacks. So case in point, if you have 1,000 coins and you want to separate them into, say, 200 coin stacks, you'd simply select UTXO and input however many stacks you want to separate them into, in this case 5. And it will actually output at the top how many will be in each stack. So here's an example.
All right, folks, here's my Logiscoin wallet. I'm going to enable coin control features so that we can access the UTXO option. So in order to do that, at least in Logiscoin Core, what you're going to want to do is go to the main menu here, and this will probably be similar between all OSs. But under the Logiscore menu, go to Preferences, and under this Wallet tab, just click to enable coin control features, click OK. So now when we go over to the Send tab here, you'll see this box shows up, and this is the coin control features. So if we click on inputs, we'll see that I have one stack of 89 coins. So I'm going to right click on that and copy address, because that's also going to be our receiving address. We're going to send to the same address. Click select all, OK. So now we see a quantity of 1 and the amount of all of these selected inputs. I only have 1, so it's all of it. So I'm going to go ahead and input that address. And on this after fee section, you can just simply right click on that and click copy after fee instead of having to highlight it and copy paste. So I'm going to paste that in this amount field. And now the important thing to check right here is this split UTXO. So if I put in something crazy like 8, it will split all of my coins into 8 equal stacks. As you can see here, the UTXO size will be 11 and some change. So there would be 11 coins in each stack. I just want to do 2 stacks. So let's put in 2, and it shows you that each stack will be 44.6 coins. So let's go ahead and send that. Confirm. Now, if we go back into inputs here, we'll see I now have 2 inputs on the same address, and each of those will stake independently while I'm staking. So that's how you use UTXO to set up your inputs.
And that's it, folks. That's how easy it is. It's really quite straightforward. Hope this is useful for you. And until next time, peace. Love you.